Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is about ticker symbol IDEX for Ideanomics. In this video, I'll be talking about recent price action, a little bit of overview of the company, some recent EV sale numbers, what are the support and resistance for the stock price. If you want to play with some option, then what are the options for playing options, my thoughts, and also like should you buy or sell or hold or just wait on the sideline. So let's jump in. If you find this video is useful, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have a Facebook and Twitter page, so please follow there. So we are trying to build a community, so we will go from there. So looking at the price chart, on a 1 hour price chart, we can see that the stock price was around $3.6. Then a short seller report came, I guess. Then the stock came like $1, even below $1. Then starting from November, like with the EV hype, like we saw like all the electric vehicle, they got pumped, right? So they went up. So this stock also went up to 4.7. It came down, then it came down up to like below 2, 1.7. Then in recent days, this stock is going up. So I will talk about this stock price movement maybe in a few minutes. If you do not know this penny stock, normally they have two division. One is the Ideanomics mobility, which is on the electric vehicle sector. The other one is on the fintech, on the capital side. So mostly on the mobility section, they have electric vehicle. They will get money from um, from the profit from selling their electric vehicle, also for financing, and also for the charging stations they have. They also have IDEX biometrics. So I think they have a payment system. They have a nice presentation. If you want, you can see in their website. So basically they are coming up with some payment system which will have a biometric performance, I think, with fingertip and face recognition, something. I did not go through the entire presentation, but if you want, you can go through. So this video is mostly about the recent price action. If you see like there is a pop, how can we get profit? If you are long, and then definitely just do your own research and look at the company. And if you think like this will go far in long term, anyway. There was some recent news, like on January 5th, they signed an agreement with the wireless charging provider Wave. I think this is US based. And also in December 14th, I guess, they released their some vehicle sale activity. So you can see that comparing to Q3 and Q4, the numbers are increasing. And as a total in 2020, the sale to date was high. So again, if you want, you can go and check the activity over there, or maybe I'll just zoom out so you can find it. The December and Q4 sales activity, a total of 439 units delivered in December 2020, it a total of 706 in Q4. Okay, and it has some other numbers. Maybe you can see the percentage and everything. Anyway, let's go back to the chart. So the 1 hour chart, you can see two black lines, which is showing you a pattern, and we bounced off these lines a couple of times. So it could be a breakout pattern, like you can see a breakout, then it will go higher, or it can come down. It can come down, like I don't know, but there could be a breakout. That's why I'm introducing this video. And some people were also asking me, what about IDEX? So I already have the support and resistance line here. So one of the support is around 3.08, close to $3, and the resistance I see around 365, 387, and 473. I think 473 is the maximum. So if you see like this coming week, the stock can get out of that pattern. It can cross 365, then maybe it can go up to 387, or maybe it can go up to 4.5. This is a penny stock, they run very fast. And or it can come down, and then again it can bounce off this support around 3.8, or bounce off that black line, consolidate for a few days, then it can run up. If you also see on a 1 hour chart, the wicks, it's telling you that this is a typical penny stock, right? So it goes up, then it comes down, and then it comes down, and same thing. So it went up to this amount, then came down, and again. So I'm mostly interested to look at the body of the candle instead of the wicks, because those are just 5 or 10 minute instance, right? So if I just look at the body of that candle, um, okay, so let's see here. So just looking at the body, I think 3.67, this is as important resistance. So that price was hit couple of times. If I go, okay, let's look at the recent price action. So on January 8, we tried to hit that 3.67, let's say, try to cross that one. We didn't, we came down. Again, we tried on 15th with some good news, but again, we came back. And again, we are trying to go up. So double top already, it can become a triple top. So if we are still waiting, and you're thinking, should I buy or not, because it was like 9% rise last Friday. So watch this particular level, 3.65. If you see that the stock price can go above 3.7 or something, then maybe you can start a position, or you can see that stock price will bounce back from 3.7 and it might come down. This is a penny stock, and once we look at previous price action, like even though if it goes above 3.65 or 66, it can go up to 3.87 or maybe 4.3. So maybe a $1 move is not like a massive move or short squeeze, like making this $3 thing to like $7, $10 thing. So if you are long and then watch this support and resistance, then you can decide at what point you want to buy. If we are short-term investors or traders, then you can just look at this line and you can decide when to get in or when to get out. The other thing I want to talk about the option, like you can see the implied volatility is very, very high. It's a typical penny stock. It can move a lot within the same day. There are different like expiry date. If you look at 19th of February, the $3 strike price, the premium is only $86. So basically, if by February 19th the stock goes to 3.86, then you are safe. Currently, we are sitting at 3.47, not bad. So if you think like within a month the stock price will at least go up more than 3.86 or just any kind of movement, you will get some profit. On the other hand, the IV is high, 167. So if the price does not move or if it comes down, then you will lose some money. But again, the premium is not that much. If you're just playing with one or two contracts, it's not a lot of money. Alternatively, you can do one other thing. You can choose like a longer expiration date. Maybe let's look at April 16th. It's still not that high. Like for $3 strike, the price is 1.5. So basically 4.5 would be your break even. So by April 16th, if the stock price goes to 4.5, definitely you will be in profit, or at least on the last day, if it goes to 3.5, still you will not lose any money. But just looking at the chart, you can tell that stock price can go like at least 4.7 if there is a pop-up. So 4.5 is not bad. One last thing, you can also see the delta is good, like a 74, 79. If you just pick, let's say pick this one, right, 1.5 strike, then your break even will be 3.7, and currently we are at 3.5, and if for each $1 increase you will get $91. So if you see the stock price goes above 3.7, let's say, so it means we have broken that particular resistance, so the stock price will move. You can jump into one of these strike price, and you will, just because of the good delta, you will get good profit, and then you can easily come out. Just play this as a day trade option and get some quick profit. If you are long, then it's a different story. Please do your own research before you buy or sell or any kind of decision you want to make. But this video is particularly for short-term traders, just looking at the chart pattern, how can we get some quick profit. So get in, get out. That's the mentality for this video. So if you think this information is helpful to you, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care, my friend. Peace.